If you've been battling with understanding virus transmission dynamics, this is for you. Discover the power of CFD simulations in combating COVID-19. Computational Fluid Dynamics, or CFD, is a game-changer in understanding the spread of COVID-19. With Mr. CFD's Coronavirus CFD Simulation Training Package, healthcare professionals like you can master this crucial tool. This package, designed for all skill levels, includes 10 practical exercises using ANSYS Fluent software. You'll learn to simulate everything from patient breathing in hospital rooms to virus dispersion in airplanes and elevators. Imagine being able to predict virus spread and design effective countermeasures. By mastering these simulations, you can help design safer environments in hospitals, schools, and public transport. With the ability to customize training and even get expert consultation, Mr. CFD empowers you to make a real difference. Ready to take action? Click. Add to cart and start your journey towards becoming a CFD simulation expert today. Transform your knowledge into power with MR CFD.